everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. I have another unboxing. Oh, happy day. Let's see what we got today. I really never know what is in these anymore. I'm just so lost on what's coming. I go through all my accounts and see when they come in. You know, I give feedback and stuff, but it could be any of, you know, a number of diamond paintings showing up. This is another cool dragon. I think it was called something like Dragon with Rose. Here's the picture. I'll put the image up for you so you can get a good look. Here's the kit that came with it. Pretty standard, a single drill pen, some tweezers, a chunk of wax, and a little green boat. No bags, but sometimes they are in with the drills. Alright, let me set this aside and I will open up the canvas. It's around a foam core, so the canvas is in pretty good shape. A little crinkled, but not bad. This is small. It's a 30 by 30. This looks like a fun little project. If I can get it uncurled, I'll be happy. And I can tell that it is a full drill. I think when these small ones, I mean, it's 30 by 30 and they still put the paper on it and cut it in half for us. That's for me. That's wonderful. It's the little things that make me happy. Okay, it's a full drill square. That's awesome. I like when these companies don't cheap out, you know, for a 30 by 30 and make it a partial. The real test will be to see if the image comes out well enough and not pixelated in such a small size. But it looks pretty good. You know, if I really wanted to make sure, I would have gone a lot bigger, because we all know that when it comes to diamond painting, bigger is better. You will always get more detail, more color, the bigger you go. But it can also become very overwhelming to do a big one. And honestly, I haven't been feeling it this week. I haven't really felt like diamond painting all that much. Been very tired. Okay, so let me peel this open. It's dragons, and there's two dragons, and there's a flower in between them. There's a rose in here. Try and get it open enough that you can see the image. If you can see that they're like mirror images facing each other. Very nice. There's some shading. It's not, you know, it's not totally pixelated. My test is if I see a line of one color, like an outline, that I don't like that. Every line on here is gradient and one color blending into another color. That's cool. So that'll be a fun little project. Oh, here's the bags in here. Let me get this open. Oh, it really doesn't want to open. Oh, there it is. It's like wrapping something really well in saran wrap and then trying to find the opening. For the first time in a while, I don't have a ton of loose drills falling out. So right there, that makes me happy. There's some bags. Some red, some oranges, some browns, some blacks, even like a little bit of a magenta color. This will be fun. They gave me an inventory sheet. And there's 5, 11, 15, 20, 25, 28 colors. For just a little 30 by 30, so that's pretty cool. The most I have of anything, of course, is 310. It's the black. I have 38 bags of that. The rest are all onesies and twosies. So let me do a quick inventory, and then I'll catch up with you and let you know how it went. Well, everything looked great. All the drills were there. They gave me 4 extra bags of some colors, so that's nice. Everything looked clean. There's no oily drills, thank goodness. And I'm all set to go. So if you like my videos, go hit like and subscribe. If you tap on the little bell next to subscribe, then you'll be notified whenever I put out a new video. And come join us on Facebook, in the Facebook group. We're having a lot of fun. And, oh, Bibi's here now. She's sitting, her little butt is on a pillow, and then her front paws are on the couch. She's a silly girl. She always wants to be right next to me. Very sweet. So you have a great day. Have fun diamond painting. And I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.